Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing the homemade version of Dunkin' Donuts FlufferNutter Iced Latte. Dunkin' Donuts have a summer lineup. I'm going to do a few of them. Well, not today, but during the duration. And this is one of them. Okay, in here I already have coffee. Now this is kind of light, so I'm going to probably add another packet. I had this overnight. Also inside I have marshmallows. I'm going to go ahead and drain that when I get ready to fix it. I just want that marshmallow taste in it. Also to sweeten it up, I have powdered sugar, some additional marshmallow. Toasted marshmallow. Now this is 0 sugar, so it's going to have that aftertaste. Some peanut butter. My heavy whipping cream is my salt. Alright, so that's about it, y'all. I'm gonna get started. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and decorate the inside with my peanut butter. Just wanna smear it a little bit. You don't do this like this, but I'm gonna do it because I can. Because it ain't gotta be exactly like this. Okay, I set that to the side. Now I have a strainer over a big bowl, and I'm gonna just go ahead and pour in my coffee that I made. Like I said, I wanted to separate the marshmallow from the coffee. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and pour my milk back in here. I had to use my phone. I don't have time for that. Pour it back into here. So I'm gonna use half a tablespoon of my peanut butter. Now the marshmallow is only for the cold foam. 1 teaspoon of this marshmallow, toasted marshmallow. I'm gonna put the whole half tablespoon. I didn't mean to do this. I didn't. Fun it. Don't they say much? It's gonna be funny today. Cause it is. Just a little inside joke. Oh, I thought I was playing when I put I just put a tablespoon of powdered sugar. I want it to be sweet. I'm just gonna put a lid on it and shake it up. Smells good though. I probably use a teensy bit of sweet, but I really don't need it. I'm still just trying to think, should I add another packet because I want it to be dark in color. I do have coffee ice, but that's not gonna make it darker in color. I'm adding my extra coffee, but you don't have to, but I am. Shake it up one more again. Now I'm making my cold foam, my whipping cream. Okay, I can't use the marshmallows that I already have because they are soft, which I like, so it's easier to blend. However, I really don't want my marshmallows to have that brown tint in it. I just want it to stick to white. Okay, I'm gonna use a teaspoon of the toasted marshmallow. Some of my marshmallows. Put a few in here. Don't mind if I do. And just add a little bit of my salt and blend that up. It smells so good here, y'all. Let's give it salted marshmallow. Okay, I just put my coffee ice in here. I forgot the coffee ice got salt in it because I'm like licking my hands. I forgot I got salt in it. I meant to put that Cool Whip at the bottom before I put the ice. Let me see if I can still do something. Put it in here. Trying to let it like seep down. When I put the drink in there, it'll seep down. Girl. It look pretty though. Okay, I'm pouring my coffee. Okay. I know I could drizzle some more peanut butter on top. I'm not gonna do it though. But if you want to, you can. Looking at it without the smell, it look kind of like caramel. It's giving. I need to try it. It smells good too. Mmm. Mmm. Why it smell like I'm tasting like a caramel butter toffee taste instead of the peanut butter? Alright, let me mix it up now because I ain't too much. Okay, I did taste a little bit of that peanut butter now. Okay, I am tasting a little bit of that peanut butter. I can't really tell it's marshmallow per se at the bottom, but I can taste like some type of sweet taste, and it tastes like vanilla. This is good though. At first I was getting like a butter toffee slash caramel when I drunk some of the cold foam at first. I'm like, I didn't put that in there. I'm not too much tasting it now. It's good though. Also, the peanut butter is kind of like, even though I taste it still more at the bottom. Like I said, I probably need a food processor in order to like incorporate it better, but you still get it. This is good though. Unlike my other drinks, it's still sweet, but it's not like extra sweet how I would like it if you watch my channel. It's so good. I think I would rate this a 10. It's not going above and beyond, but it's still delicioso. Make this. I'm not saying you can't get the one from Dee Dee's. Not the stove. The fast food restaurant. However, make this at home. Yeah, let's see.